Living in Deltona, Florida, means enjoying warm weather, coastal beauty, and vibrant communities. But it also means preparing for the reality of hurricane season. When powerful storms threaten Central Florida, your home's first line of defense isn't just your roof, it's your windows. Traditional glass can easily shatter under high winds or flying debris, leaving your home vulnerable to water intrusion, structural damage, and even dangerous pressure changes. That's why more homeowners in Deltona are turning to hurricane-resistant windows as a smart, long-term investment in safety, comfort, and peace of mind. What are hurricane-resistant windows? Hurricane-resistant windows, also known as impact windows or storm windows, are specially engineered to withstand high winds, flying debris, and severe weather conditions. Unlike standard windows, they feature laminated glass made from two panes of glass bonded with a strong interlayer, usually polyvinyl butyryl or PVB. Heavy-duty frames made from reinforced aluminum, vinyl, or composite material. Special sealing systems that prevent water and air from getting through. Even if the outer glass shatters, the inner layer holds the glass together, preventing dangerous shards and keeping the window intact. Protection against windborne debris. During a hurricane, winds can exceed 100 miles per hour, often carrying branches, roofing materials, and other debris that can break through standard windows. A shattered window opens your home to water damage, mold growth, internal pressure buildup that can compromise your roof and wall. Hurricane-resistant windows in Deltona homes help prevent this chain reaction by standing up to both impact and pressure. They meet or exceed Florida building code requirements and undergo rigorous testing to ensure durability. Energy efficiency year-round. While these windows are built for storms, they also provide year-round benefits. Their insulated design and tight seals improve energy efficiency, keeping cool air in during the summer and reducing the strain on your HVAC system. This means lower energy bills, more consistent indoor temperatures, less reliance on heating or cooling systems during extreme weather. You'll enjoy comfort and savings even outside of hurricane season. UV protection and noise reduction. Deltona homeowners also benefit from ultraviolet, UV, protection built into hurricane-resistant windows. This shields your interior from sun damage, preserving the color and life of your furniture, flooring, and window treatments. In addition, their thick, laminated construction offers excellent sound insulation, making your home quieter by reducing outside noise from traffic, neighbors, or storms. Insurance discounts and home value boost. Installing hurricane-resistant windows isn't just a safety decision, it's a financial one. Many Florida insurance providers offer homeowners insurance discounts for properties with impact-rated windows because they lower the risk of damage. Plus, new windows boost curb appeal and property value, a win for those planning to sell or refinance. Buyers in Deltona are increasingly looking for storm-ready homes, making this upgrade both a selling point and a competitive advantage. Maintenance and longevity. Unlike traditional storm shutters, hurricane-resistant windows require no seasonal setup. Once installed, they provide continuous protection with minimal upkeep. High-quality impact windows are built to last decades, even in Florida's harsh sun, humidity, and salt air. Look for warranties that cover both glass and frame, and choose a professional installer with experience in Florida building codes and hurricane protection. Final thoughts. Peace of mind starts with preparation. Hurricane-resistant windows offer more than just impact protection. They deliver security, energy savings, soundproofing, and long-term value for your Deltona home. With storm activity on the rise, now is the time to take a proactive step towards safeguarding your property. If you're ready to upgrade your home's defenses, contact a trusted local window professional in Deltona to explore the best hurricane-resistant options for your needs and budget. Your safety, comfort, and peace of mind are worth it.